Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to forward mass emails as attachment in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is of course log in to your Google account and Gmail so that you can access your emails. And then for example, I want to forward this emails. Just select it individually, or you can also select all read if you want to forward all read emails. But for now, I'll just be clicking this emails, and what you're going to do is right click and then click this forward as attachment. Okay, so as you can see, it opens a new message and then all the emails that you want to forward will be sent as an attachment. So if you want to see it, just click on it and it will be opened through an application, a mail application. So that's basically it. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next video. Bye!